Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you're really enjoying the past videos. If you have not watched our past videos on imagination game, the suggestivity test, do it right now. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis 1972 and started teaching hypnosis 1977. I have students all over the world in 176 countries. Now my friend, watch this video, learn from it, practice on yourself first and then do it on others and have fun and keep coming back to our next videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and please click on the button on the bell so that you will be notified whenever we are going to put a new video, and I'm going to put a lot of videos in the future, all practical videos to learn hypnosis now. Right now you are watching videos on suggestivity test. I call it imagination game, and you can have fun with your friends. So watch it now and then come back to the next videos. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you are doing all the exercises which you have given in the previous lessons and you have already learned it, mastered it, and practicing again and having lot of fun. I'm sure you're having a lot of fun. Now let's come back into the other imagination game, and there we use a pendulum. Now I have this pendulum. You can have any pendulum, anything heavy with a thread. So this is a wonderful thing for imagination game, and you really can have fun. So, or if you have anything like this, stop the video, find something like this. You can use a ring, you can use a key with some thread. Anything will work. So I'm going to give you a demo on Sanjana right now, and then you can practice of your own. Sanjana, can you hold it in your hand? Like this. Little longer. Yes. Now this is something very interesting. You don't know you are doing it first time, huh? Yeah. You have to focus here, not on your fingers. And then use your imagination. The pendulum is moving up and down, up and down. Just use your imagination. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Now moving faster and faster. Up and down, up and down. Started moving. That's wonderful. Up and down, up and down. Now imagine it's moving round and round. Round and round. That's fantastic. You're doing a wonderful job. Round and round, round and round, round and round, round and round. Now left to right, 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 left to right. Now stop. How you find that?
I found everything moving.
Automatically?
Yeah.
Were you moving with your consciously?
My hand
No.
was constant.
But who was moving it? Your unconscious mind. Because when you imagine something, your unconscious mind doesn't know it is real or imagined. Now this is the easiest method to do it, and you can have a lot of fun. Now people are using this method for different varieties of ways, for healing, therapy. You can program them for yes or no, so that you can communicate with your subconscious mind, find answer, even heal it. In my workshop I teach a method for healing purpose using pendulum, and it's called idiomotor signaling, which is very powerful. Anything we'll do, practice this right now and imagine. Now remember one thing, what I was doing her to imagine better. Because first time she is doing in her life this pendulum. Do you know anything about it? No. So when she was holding it, how to make the imagination better? So I was using my finger down, up and down, round and round, round and round. So she was getting a picture in her mind to go out or down. It become easier for her to visualize and imagine and really feel it. Interesting? So you can have fun with your friends using this pendulum. You don't need to have any kind of, I have this, it's a plastic thing, little heavy, anything heavy, even you can use a locket if you have you can use a key, you can use a ring. Somebody asked me ring, yeah, bigger diamond ring, the better the effect is. Oh, actually, it's just fun. So you can have it and practice this and then come back to the next lessons. And now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now if you really liked it, and click on the notification bell so that you get all the notifications of the new courses coming back, new lessons coming back, which will be coming regularly now. And if you have not even watched, first time watching this video, go back to our previous lessons and learn, master, and have fun. And subscribe it to your subscribe and click on the bell button and share it with your friends. Thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. Hi, welcome. I'm sure you really enjoyed this exercise. Now find a friend, do it on them, one friend or two friends or three friends, up to you. The more you do it, the better it is. And now, if you really want to learn these new things practically, I conduct a workshop on hypnosis regularly. So click on the link below and check the dates and register immediately. And I have a lot of other things available. So please go and check the links. And now, if you have not, again I remind you, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and like it. Click on the like button and share it with your friends, and click on the notification button so that you get notified every time I put a new video, which I am going to do a lot of them now. So, thank you very much for watching and come back to the next video. Thank you.